Whoa, that's awesome.
Computer, coffee for two.
Nice. Okay. So these are a couple of things that were in my private warehouse from the HLJ web store. There are a couple of train passes. That's from Hyperdimension Neptunia. And of course the Tamagotchi Sanrio meats. I think we only got one. And this should be it's perhaps the biggest box in this package. It's the Godzilla. Gojira. Yeah, so Godzilla humidifier. So this is pretty cool. He blows the steam from his maw as if you were firing some kind of flame or fire breath. I don't know. Like the beam over here. This is the traditional depiction of Godzilla. So Godzilla humidifier. And that's how cute it is. Look at that. So cute. Because I've been eyeing on that for a very long time now. And it's here. Vanguard Pegasus and Pani Coffee here. You know me already. You know her too. But you don't know Gojira.
Maybe you do, but maybe not in this
not in this
kind
form.
of attire.
So this is actually a humidifier. You can see over here. He's gonna help you through the heat by blowing steam. The actual monster is this one. Now, look at this.
Yeah.
See, fires this beam. So they try to emulate that with this humidifier. We actually have cats already. You can see here. Over there. You see the cat over there? It's the same. This one's just bigger, I suppose. And it's from Japan. So let's take a look. These are the what are these? Instructions. So on off. You apparently click his scale, I guess. Look, on off.
Ooh,
And
nice.
then he does there's some tune. And he roars. And this is the jet. So let's take a look at that. Oh, I need my Xenoblade. It took a while actually for us to get this because they were out of stock. So I guess it was a pretty popular item. AC adapter. So I'll have to use a converter for this. Okay. It's pretty huge.
Oh wow.
Whoa.
Don't break it, don't break it.
Yeah, no. I didn't expect it to be that huge.
Okay, it's some kind of cute, I guess.
Wait. Oh, his tail
Oh, it
is
has
back here.
lead as well. Wow, look at that.
His tail's back here. I guess this is the on-off switch. No? Whoa.
No, it's just a tail.
Well, you put it over there. This is the beast. The beast. The beast. The beast. The beast. Whoa. It's huge. Ooh,
Oh,
sorry.
wait.
Look at those eyes. So scary. The claws. And when you
Does it
rotate
make sound as
him-
well? There's
Yes,
some
it
kind
does,
of...
it does make sound, yes.
If you can
This should be
show
the...
under it, it likes it
So
has some kind of a...
wait, we'll have
And it
to
has some kind of LED over here.
we'll have to plug it in first. So be right back. We got this nifty converter, so you could use it. You could use any type of plug with it. In fact, it says here 100 to 240 volts maximum, which means that it should also run on 220, which is what we have here. So we are going to use the converter and see how Godzilla works. Installation instructions. You take off the head first. Oh, this is how we put the water. Okay, we need water. Okay, so I'm gonna get some water. Decapitate his head. You know, like Ned Stark. We twist, I guess. How do we take it off? Oh no, you have to pull up the head. So put it up this way.
Try not to put water on the camera.
No, no, I won't. How does it look like inside? If you're wondering, wow, it's really small. The reservoir is small. Okay, so I'm gonna pour in water. Yeah, just making sure I'm actually putting it on the correct location. Yeah, it's tiny. The reservoir is tiny. After the water, we should put back his head.
So it's better to stay always near it. And,
Yes, and it has this
Monitor it.
click actually.
Yeah.
So when you take it off, there are some markers over here. The slots go in, and this won't move. It's really
It
stable.
feels like it's magnetized.
Yeah, because it kind of snaps
Yeah,
fit.
it snaps
you know?
back and and it has
Wow.
don't shake it
Could,
too much.
we could
because
actually
it's
articulate the.
No, careful. Maybe it's supposed to move, so don't try to articulate.
Oh yeah, indeed. Yeah. Sorry, Georgina. There we go. Whoa, that's awesome. Look at that. Wow. It's like he is spewing some kind of flame, blue flame. Ah, that's awesome. Oh my god, yeah. Whoa. Okay, so let's try some other effects. That's a roar. Isn't that awesome? I'm so glad we got this. So to switch it off, you have to hold it. And it's gonna play the theme. Yeah. That's when it dies. It's the crying, the dying whale. So that's pretty awesome. Wow, I didn't expect I didn't expect the effect to be this kind of cool. And I mean the detail that they put in this humidifier, it's so much like a figure. I mean, look at the details in the eyes, the teeth. I'm not sure if these actually move. I'll have to read more about that. But wow, that's awesome.